Happy Sunday, my friends. I came here to show you what I'm doing just before changing my bed. Every week I do that, changing my bed. But I also do my room spray and my linen spray. And last time I did a whole bottle of spearmint and a whole bottle of lemon. It was gorgeous. And today I'm going to change it and do something different. So this time, just to show you what I usually do, this is a bottle of 50 ml, a glass obviously with a spray bottle. And I can put the link if you want to get this, it's quite cheap. Then this is lemongrass. As you know, lemongrass is free this month for those who want to get it for 125 PV order. Then peppermint and then lavender. So I'm going to put a lot more on lavender, a little bit less on peppermint and less of the lemongrass. What I usually do, as I said, a whole bottle, or just change a few things. But today I'm just going to show you what I do. So I'm going to do about 12 drops of lavender, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, and then I'm going to do about 10 drops of peppermint. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 8, 9, 10, and then I'm going to do about 6 of the lemongrass. Okay, 7. So this is quite tiny, obviously. You fill it up with water. You can up to here or a little bit there, and then you just basically spray the whole linen and the whole room with it. Obviously, because it is so pure, you can even spray it on your skin. Oh my goodness, oh, it smells lovely. So try this, add a little bit of water here, I would say up to here. If you want to add more oils, then just double up all the amount and fill up your water bottle with this, or spray bottle, and use it for your linen, use it for your home, for your room, for everything. Even, you know, spray on you if you want. You can use it for or your drawers as well. You can just spray a little bit on the paper there and put in your drawers. What I do when I do my bed is that I start from the very, you can see I'm starting to do my bed completely from the bottom. So every layer I have, I spray, pillows, duvet, the runner as well, you know, on the top of my bed here. So I do it everywhere, and it smells lovely, and you can feel that the smell is starting to fade maybe 2-3 days later, and then you can start doing that again on your linen. Have a happy Sunday. Mwah.